So this is going to be a short video. So you know that engine swap I did not too long ago? Well, here's the old engine. I've got it in lots and lots of pieces right now. I've taken out cylinder 1, which is the culprit of the main reason why I swapped this engine out. I had 13% less compression in this cylinder than all the rest. And so I did the engine swap. And I've gotten this all apart. Quite literally. Well, over here, I've got my piston. It wasn't like this when I pulled it out. When I pulled it out, this chunk was sitting here. I'll show a picture of it. But, two little cracks. Piston 1 in between the two ringlands, or two rings. There were compression and second ring, and it cracked, and well, it failed. Oh well. On the bright side, every bearing looks amazing so far. Cross hatching on the block, beautiful. Very little varnish. Like, this is pretty clean considering that this is 116,000 miles. I don't know if you can see that, but cross hatches, mint. Everything about this motor is great. So I can continue on with my original plan and put in some upgraded pistons and rods. Maybe I'll switch out this crank too while I'm at it. Not that it's bad, I mean, nowhere, but I do want to do something special with this motor. It looks amazing. And the actual other reason why I changed the motor was the front main seal. That guy. That's why this is so gross. Because it was just leaking oil from that. When I took out the crank bolt here, oil just like poured out all around it and around the actual crank pulley. So yeah, this engine needs a refresh, but that's okay with me, because I mean, it did its job, and I caught it well before it could have failed any further. I mean, you can just tell by the wear here. Great shape motor.